In this video, you will learn how to make money on Fiverr as a web developer. First, create a Fiverr account and sign up. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Then, set up your profile. Make sure you have a professional photo, a clear description of your skills and a portfolio. Highlight your web development skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript or any WordPress. Then create a gig. Gigs are services that you offer. By clicking on sell, then create gig. You can create a clear, compelling title for your gig, choose relevant categories and add tags. Showcase your work. Upload samples of your previous projects or create demo work to show potential clients what you can do for them. A portfolio of your web development projects will help you attract a lot more customers. Optimize your gig. Use keywords in your gig titles, descriptions and tags. This will help you appear higher up in the search terms for your gig. Make sure the description is clear and explains what the client will be getting, including a timeline and pricing. Offer good customer service. Respond quickly to client inquiries. Deliver high quality work on time and build a good reputation to get positive reviews. Promote your gig. Share your Fiverr gig on social media such as Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. Consider offering promotions or discounts to build initial momentum and get 5-star reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.